She's our patient, okay? She is Amy. She's a Chinese girl, and she has a very high forehead, and she has came here to Glomac to get Dr. Jaz's help on how to lower down her hairline. So Dr. Jaz and Dr. Ali have suggested to her its best way is to do a hair transplant.
So this the patient who did hair transplant about 4 days ago. Indication of hair transplant here is lowering the hairline. Now this is the design that she wanted. We fill out all the graph in here. So to this day 4, the graph all in the right direction and she have healed well.
She will speak in Chinese to explain about her experience and how she felt and what she feels now.
大家好，我今天在这边做了一个植发手术，这边的医生呢也是服务态度特别好，还有护士各方面。
So basically what she's saying is that she has come here to do a hair transplant and she's very happy with the result, and she was very happy that Dr. Jaz and Dr. Muhammad Ali has conducted her hair transplant procedure, and both doctors were there during the procedure. So she's very happy with what the drawing they have done and her frontal coverage, and she wants to recommend everybody that if you have a hair loss issue to do with your hairline, you should always opt for a good doctor, because you are paid for the doctor to do your hair transplant.